Hello, my name is Emma Watkins, and today I'm going to be talking about my molecular diary chemical or drug, which is triliptol. So, first, I'm going to start talking about the solubility in water. So, if I actually look at the structure right now, the structure, I can tell that my drug is probably going to be insoluble, just because if you look at how many carbons there are to functional groups, there are 3 functional groups compared to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 to 3 functional groups, which is 5 to 1. That's probably going to be slightly polar, but probably closer to non-polar. So we know that water is polar, so I would probably guess that this is probably going to be close to insoluble to water. Compared to my first entry in the beginning, when I first researched, I did find out that the solubility was less than 1 milligram per liter, and based on measurements, anything that is below 10 is considered insoluble or not very soluble at all. So that does match up to what I got originally. Next, I'm going to be talking about the melting point. From what I originally got when I first started researching, I found that the melting point was 215.5 degrees Celsius. So that is a fairly high temperature. I mean, it is, but it's not. There's definitely a lot higher. I would guess, just because we know that is between dipole and between dispersion, I would guess that that would be accurate. I would predict that it would be fairly high, but not really, compared to other ones. Just because we know that it's in between these two. I know that it doesn't have any OH groups connected, so I know that it's not hydrogen bonding. So I would probably guess that it's probably between dipole and dispersion. So I would guess that that's probably accurate, just based on what I got before. Next, I'm going to be talking about if it's acidic, basic, or amphiprotic. I would probably guess that this is going to be basic, just because I don't see any carboxylic acid groups in this, so I would guess that it's definitely not acidic, but I do see an amine right here, which gives me an indication that it's probably going to be basic, which is probably what I would go with if I were to guess that. Thank you.